Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Poetic Revolution case in black for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for actually sending these cases out to me for a review. If you haven't used Poetic before, you really should check them out. I have been using them for many different devices for the last few years now, and they make some really good cases for many different devices, even devices that other case companies don't try, like the Motorola Razr here. They make cases for that phone, which no one else really does. So if you haven't tried them out, go try it out. In this video, like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Can you wireless charge? Is the kickstand strong on here? The overall fit, is it good? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I'll have the links in the description. But a nice presentation from Poetic. Bam, it says designed in the USA, made in China. Follow them on their social media websites there. It says stop and watch the installation guide. Don't do that. Watch this video here. I'm going to show you how to install it. So, I know with this case here, you get one with a built-in screen protector, which we probably will try out. But then, you also get the case without the built-in screen protector. Bam. So this is, it comes apart right here. So you have one with it and then one without. And then this is the case there. But then you also have instructions. You have a screen protector accessory. So let's try the one with the screen protector first. So I just want to see how it works out with the fingerprint scanner. And what you want to do is put your phone in here first. We won't go over, I just want to see with this one on, will it work with the fingerprint scanner? And then what we can do is I'll review the other one to make sure everything else works. Now I have a screen protector on here, so you may have an issue with it. It may not work. That was with my... Yeah, see, it's gonna have a hard time. No, it worked that time. So if you have a glass screen protector on there, you may not want to use this one, because it will take some time. But I mean, as you can tell, the touch is okay, even with the built-in screen. I mean, with the screen protector I have on there too. So if you have a screen protector, then use the one without it. I mean, that's just that simple. But it does work. Not bad. All right, so let me take this one off really quick. And how you want to take it off is just get your finger in there and take it off. Maybe. Maybe not. Let's try this out. All right, so here's the one without the screen protector on there. And you're going to install it the same way. Just start at the bottom. Push it all the way around. That screen is bright too. So you just want to make sure it's in there. And that's the installation. So now your fingerprint scanner will work because you don't have the built-in screen protector. But you still get a lot of lip protection all the way around. You also get a pretty good camera protection there. That's how it looks from the back. It does add bulk to your phone. So it does add a little bit of bulk to it. It's not super bulky, but you can tell, look. Has a lot of corner protection. The power button is nice and easy. The Vine rockers are nice and easy to press. Everything lines up. You have a little port there for your charging port. The microphone at the top lines up. But again, you don't have to worry about dropping your phone with this case on there. Now, how good does it fit? You can't take it off. It's a two-piece case, so it fits in there really well. And it takes a little bit of work to get it out, as you could tell. But how you want to take it apart is just right here. Dig in there with your fingernails and then just peel it off. And you can get it off pretty good. Look at the kickstand too. So you can watch videos like that. Shout out to Michigan, go blue all day long. Season starts next week. So you can watch videos like that, like this, and like that. And it's a sturdy kickstand. It's not one of the cheap flimsy ones on there. Yeah, the Poetic logo. Man, I like this case though. So this is like the heavy duty, I'm going out, you want it, you have it. If you need it, you get the built-in screen protector. The one question people are going to ask, can you wireless charge with it? I don't think you will have a problem. You can wireless charge without any issues. You've seen it right there. So again, this checks off a lot of boxes. Power button, vine rockers work great. Everything lines up. You have a little protection there for your USB charging port. You get a lot of lip protection around for your display. You get some camera protection there. The kickstand works really good. You can wireless charge. The only thing is it does add a little bit of bulk to your phone. Makes it a little bit bigger for you. You have a little Poetic logo there. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely get it from Amazon. Support a small case company and then also support a small YouTuber like myself. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.